And welcome to a video where I know I'm recording with a crappy camera, because I ended up uninstalling Logitech Capture and other things, but that's not the point. I think it was a couple weeks ago now, probably a week or two ago, I wanted to do DNA test, because I want to see if I'm related to anyone else, anything else, because I know I'm Scottish, English, and New Zealand, but I don't know what else. So I got an Ancestry DNA kit. I got it on the St. Paddy's Day. That just makes me sound Irish. The St. Patrick's Day special, and it was like $40 off or something. Yeah, so I'm not sure how long it takes, but I'm gonna open it, see what's included, and then I'll probably end the video because I'm not going to record the whole process of me doing it. So that's weird. There we go. Big strong boy. So this is it. Oh, it's a little tab. You see that? That little plastic tab? Just end up cutting the ball. So it comes with instructions and a collection bag. I'm not going to do this on this video because I probably need my mum's help and everything. Tube stuff. I think this is like a saliva based thing, it's not blood or anything. They usually do it with your saliva. So we have to mail our shipping bag back. Yeah, it says mail you like spit in something. You spit in something, and then but you have to do it while you haven't drunk or ate anything, because it might be diluted or something, or it just might mess something up. So yeah, you basically spit in a bag and then you send it back and you get DNA results. That's basically what it is. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. So collection bag. I don't know what's in here. Oh, this is just the box that you ship it back in. And then I already showed this, but there's like some tubes and a liquid. Do I have to drink that? Wash with water. Yeah. Do not ingest liquid. Okay. Okay, so you spit in the liquid, you shake it up with your saliva and stuff. So spit in the tube, fill the tube with your saliva to the black wavy line. I'm not gonna, so that line, that black wavy line right there. It's easy, yep. Place the funnel with the cap, tighten to release stabilizing fluid, blue solution, shake the tube for 5 seconds, yeah, do that with it, place the tube in the collection bag and then nail it. That's basically what you do, and then activation code. Okay. I'm not going to show that because you guys might end up using it. I guess that's it. I don't know how long it takes. It probably takes like a month or two, maybe a couple weeks or so to do it. Ancestry DNA is Australian, so don't be searching Ancestry DNA if you're American or so. Use an American website. And with all, yeah, I'm doing this because I want to know. I'm paying it with my own money. So, yeah. This is going to be edited. Hopefully I can figure out how this is going to work. If not, then you probably won't see it. Otherwise I'll just make a video on my results that I'll get from the website. So this is before, and then there'll be an after video of me like going through everything with my face cam and stuff in the corner. I'm just showing you before, and then this isn't going to be uploaded. This is going to be conjoined with the other video. And I guess that's it. I'll see you in the future. Bye bye. Hey guys, and welcome to It's Finally Time. It's been ages. It's been about 2 months. I was just watching YouTube, and then I got an email from Ancestry DNA saying that it's finally here. My DNA results are finally here. I woke up like 40 minutes ago. I literally just had breakfast. My bowls and stuff are still sitting here. But it's finally time. Wait, no way. Wait, hi Colmac and non-new communities have been added to your story. Okay. You're now part of the Northwest England and Isle of Man community. What? Poor relief schemes transported out of work labourers. Is it like poverty in Queensland British settlers? Bathroom bake sales. What is going on? Okay. You and 20 of your DNA matches, along with 35,000 other Ancestry DNA members, are all genetically linked to this region through shared ancestry. 78% England and Europe. So from Denmark, wow, England is very strong. A bit from United Kingdom and stuff. Switzerland. Oh, so close to Germany. That would be different, eh? And we've got Ireland, Scotland, 22%. Yeah, because I said this in the other footage, I'm pretty sure, that this is pretty much all stuff I knew, but you guys probably didn't know any of this about me. I didn't know I was Irish. I'm probably like 1% Irish. No, does that work? Because I know I'm Scottish. And I knew I was English because my nan and pop are from England, and Scottish because I think my dad's ancestors are from Scotland, but I didn't know Ireland. And then we've got the good old Queensland. Gordon Nunn? That must not be my pop that it says my fourth cousin. It's funny. Sherbuck, Chlorine Collins. You and all these members of the community are linked through shared ancestors. you probably have a family who lived in this area for years. Use the timeline to explore what their life might have been like. Convicts and colonists. In 1824, the convict settlement of Moreton Bay was established near today's Brisbane. Convicts. Now they're just telling me a history lesson. Is this really it? Oh, they're saying like people from England and stuff moved. No, is this Scotland? No, that is England. Moved over to Queensland. Okay. I don't get why it's called bathroom and bake sale. It took 2 months to say that I was mostly English. Okay. Nah. So I think that's it. So now you guys know a bit more about me. So I'm Irish, Scottish, and English, and European. Nice. I wish I had like a 1% thing, or like a really low percentage thing. Like, I don't know, like 7% Portuguese or something. That was me looking at my ancestry DNA, and you guys now know what I am. I bet you could have figured it out for yourself, kind of, but yep, that's me. So I'm just gonna end it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe. Hit the notification button. Leave a comment if you want. And I will see you in the next video. Also, you better press that like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'm gonna get a creeper. Slap it on. It will explode, and you'll be like, oh man. Because you've done Minecraft. Don't fucking run up! Okay? Okay? You got that in your noggin? If you watched all my videos, you fucking knew. Okay? Sorry for swearing, but... Okay, enough of that. Bye-bye.